So the purpose of my speech is to inform others on how to make brownies while also demonstrating it. So to get started, I have my ingredients, which is going to be the bag of brownies. I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter, if you can see it, 2 large eggs, and then 1/3 of a cup of water. I'm going to now preheat the oven at 350 so I can have that preheat while I'm getting everything ready. So I just preheated that to 350. So to get started, I'm going to first add the brownie mix to the bowl, which I have here. I'm pouring that in there. And I'm going to add the 2 large eggs I have here. I'm just going to add both of them into here. So far I have the brownie mix and the 2 eggs, if you can see it. Secondly, I'm going to add these 6 tablespoons of melted butter, which is here. And then I'm going to add the 1/3 cup of water, which is there. So, secondly, again, I'm going to mix all of this up. And I actually bought the keto version of this because I'm doing keto right now, so I'm interested to see the difference in how it tastes. And it looks like I put a lot more butter than usual. In the usual recipe, I want to say. So I'm excited to see and compare the two. So now that it's mixed up pretty well, as you can see, it's pretty mixed up, I am going to get my pan ready. I'm using a basic brownie pan, and I'm going to lastly pour the mix all into the pan and get it ready to stick into the oven. So now I am pouring this into the pan. As you can see, I'm pouring it in there. It actually is, this pan is actually made for brownies, so it fits in there pretty well. So I'm just going to spread all the batter around as best I can. And as you can see, it is completed in the pan. So now I'm just going to stick this in the oven, which is right here. And it'll be cooking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 to 28 minutes. And the recipe again was the 2 eggs. It was 6 tablespoons of butter. It was 1/3 cup of water. And it's going to cook for, again, 24 to 28 minutes. And again, like I said, it's a keto version, so I'm excited to tell the difference and see what I made up. 26 minutes, I'm gonna take the brownies out, set them here. To tell if they're done, I usually get a fork and poke it. If the batter still sticks, then that means it needs to cook longer, but it didn't stick, so that means it's done. And this is my final product, keto brownies.